Hey everybody, back again with Real Fishing. We are back at the North Springfield Reservoir. I know the last video was in the same place, but I have a surprise for you guys. Look at what I brought.
Hello.
Look at that. That's the little man. That's Kenny. It's my son. He's 9, bit of a dork, but all boys are at that age, so I went through it. I'm sure some of you went through it. Most of you, all of you. Don't lie. Be true to yourself. So, we are on the other side from where I fished last time. So we are going to, that is the piece of water there. That's a good view of it. Right off that small point right here is where I caught that 3.76 pound bass, my personal best. So we're going to fish on this side of that, whatever the hell those logs and stuff are in the middle. And then we might even possibly be able to get down into where that little stream is that comes, well, it's not a little stream, it's pretty good size, but we might be able to get into there and possibly catch some slaunches. Okay, so let's grab our stuff and get down to the water. We'll see you down at the water. Something playing with it. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's fish. That's fish. That's a little bass. On the board. Little dinker. Yes, it was. All right, you're gonna freaking hook finger me. Stop it. You're gonna get it out yourself? Stop. Stop. All right. Man, you got that in there, didn't you? I don't want to hurt you. There. Jesus. First one. It's a little one. Ooh, that was a belly flop. My bad. Sorry, little dude. Well, ladies and gentlemen, look what we got. I was just retrieving my frog, reeling it like a lunatic as fast as I possibly could, and he come up and destroyed it. All right, that's 4-0. You better pick up the pace, little man. Use your frog. You just saw me destroy that bass on a frog. I told you to use your frog over here, didn't I? Take it off and put it in your box. Did I or did I not tell you to use your frog? Answer the question. Did I tell you to use your frog? There you go. See, he come at it twice. I missed him the first time because I wasn't expecting it. And then I stopped it and he come in and grabbed it again. Let's see if we can't catch old Mr. Giant that was over here last time. See if we can't get him. There he is. There we go. All right, nope. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Nope, get out of there, get out of there. Nope, get out of there. Oh, wow. Okay, get out of there. Nope, get back over here. Ah, shit. Oh, man. Get out of there. Come here. Nope. Get off of that. There we go. That's a better one. Get up over here, Mr. Slaunchtopus. Oh, no! No, he came off! Oh! I had him right there! No, you saw him, though. You saw him. Shit! I just had a monster. He took me underneath there. I pulled him up over the logs and he got off right there because I couldn't get him up over the goddamn log. Yes, that does suck. Shit, I saw I had him barely hooked too. I should have just reeled and reefed him. Oh. Why did that happen? Oh, because the line was cut into itself. That's why it backlashed. Because I had my drag set too tight and I pulled out a little bit of line, it just cut into itself. But I need the drag that tight or else I miss the frogfish. That's right. Backlash. Fixed. Yeah, that happens. It always happens with a bait caster. You can't get a backlash with the spinning. Don't hold your pole like that. You're not ice fishing. If you get a fish to bite like that, you're going to lose your pole. Oh yeah. Half the time, that's what draws the big ones out, is they see that skaboosh. They see something hit the water and they're like, ooh, what's that? Can I eat it? Yes. And then they bite it. That doesn't always stop them. Yep. That's why the body is soft on them. Yep. So when the fish bites it, it squishes down. Then the hooks poke him. You pull him in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we found a spot where there's a little bit more current than usual. So we're going to try and cast around here a little bit. This ground's really soupy. Looks like somebody's been using it to put like a kayak in or dragging something down through here, but we're going to find out just what's out here. First cast. See if there's anything swimming around out here in the current. Because there's like cross currents going. There's one going out, one coming in. Wow, there are fish out here. That one's just jumping right there. Because that's what they do. They jump out of the water and they shake their head and it comes out of their lip. Here, watch yourself.
Which most fish do.
Yeah. Bass are notorious for it, though. Oh, pickerel are very notorious for it as well. Let's see if there's any room over here for me to stand without sinking.
When you get your frog back up, squeeze it. I think there's water in it from the fish. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh no, he spit it onto the lily pad, you tricky little bitch. He got me hooked into the lily pad. Little bastard. You little prick. Try and stay as high up on the bank as I can so I don't get soaked. Oop. Here we go, a log. Yep. Why's my leg all wet? Ah, that's squishy. All right, another flat spot. Oh, there we go. Yep. Got him. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are hooked up again. Oh, water ski him. Get in here, you. Oh, shit. Yep, I'll bring the plant too. I don't care. Oh, he's just a danker. Number 6. You see him, bud? That's what you want to do. Get out in that open water. Because there's grass down there and they're sitting in it. Oh, you got both hooks. My frog just peed on the front of me. Yeah, he got both hooks. All right, stop it, stop it. Can't get you unhooked if you're going to be a dink. Man, you freaking swallowed that. There's one portion of it out. There's another one. Nice. Decent little dinker. All right, there we go. And he did a nosedive. All right. There we go. Whew. 5 fish. Well, technically 6, but the biggest one of the day got away. So we'll call it 5.5-ish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with day 2 of fishing with Little Man. And there's Little Man, getting his frog all set up. We are down in Bellows Falls, Vermont, down at Herrick's Cove boat launch. Because I've seen some massive wakes in the water down here. I'm assuming it was a northern, could have been a monster bass. But I'm gonna say it was a northern because it seemed like it was too long to be a bass. Because it was doing circles. You be careful on the docks there, Chief. They float and they move. So, just be careful. Because I'm going to have to laugh hysterically before I fish you out. Don't you do it, bird. Get the hell out of here. It's my frog, you son of a bitch. See that stupid ass bird? Come out flying right at my frog. You dumbass. Oh, bud. Don't you do it. No, no, no. Stupid goddamn bird. Go the f away. You little bastard! I don't need to catch a bird. Go the hell away. Ah! That bird's pissing me off. What? There's usually some big ones swimming right by there. Go away, you. Missed what? Oh, I'm not trying to actually hit him. I don't want to hurt him. I want to scare him away. Well, as you notice, I'm back at the house, and I didn't get any good footage for you today of day 2 fishing with Little Man. So, oh well, that happens. That's why they call it fishing, not catching. But tomorrow morning, probably around, well, probably more like afternoonish, I'll be going out fishing again, probably, because I gotta help my mother-in-law tomorrow. She needs to pick some stuff up from Home Depot. That is the joy of owning a truck. Everybody needs your help. But I don't mind. So I'm gonna help her tomorrow morning, go out fishing later that morning, afternoonish time. See if I can catch something decent for you. Probably not, though, but who knows? We'll see. So if you like this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And we will catch you next video. Hopefully I get some good footage. See you later. Peace.